You guys know that we've dealt with squat in the rear of our truck for over a year now. Well, it's our last day in Quartzsite, Arizona, and today we're gonna be installing our airlift airbags in the rear of our truck. I am so excited for this because 1, we'll be riding safer, 2, we'll be riding flatter, and 3, we'll no longer have to deal with squat. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us.
Hello, handsome.
Howdy.
You have a makeshift whatever on the ground?
Yeah, it's not exactly the most comfortable work surface.
Well, you look great doing it.
Well, that was a given, duh.
Yeah, I was being nice. What you doing?
Just took off the bump stops and now I'm putting on the mounting plate for the airbags.
Good old bump stops. Those are my favorite. That sounds weird.
Yeah, they are
Don't
your
put that
favorite.
in. Shut! Oh my gosh.
Show me your hair. Turn around. Keep spinning. Spin. Where did you find the flowers?
There's flowers down there in the river.
That's pretty cool. My little flower child. She just comes running up and she's like, Dad, check it out. And she's my little flower child. You, on the other hand, you're a little grumpus, aren't you? She might have just woke up a little bit ago.
No.
No, you didn't? Oh, okay, sorry. So Goose has found a new friend out here. For the first week we were here, she was hanging out mostly with the other girls her age, but now she is hanging out with a boy. But check this out. So darn cute. It probably won't be cute when she's 16, but right now it's pretty darn cute. Like I said, super cute right now. Probably not in 10 years from now. If she was riding on the back of dirt bikes and quads and motorcycles when she's 16, we might be having a talk. So I got one airbag up in place, but without the wheels off and being in such limited space, I can't use any of my power tools. So everything by hand is a pain in the butt. But I'm making progress.
Yay! It's not taking you as long.
Yeah, it's taking a lot. I'm not even close to anywhere.
Oh, just kidding.
All right, we've got one airbag there, one over there on that side. I don't know if you guys can see this, it's super close up, sorry. I've got the compressor mounted here, and I'm working on mounting the controller right over there, so that way I can run the air lines from this compressor back to the bags back there. Sorry, it's really tight in here, but it's actually going, it's taking forever, but it's going smoother than I thought it was. Ugh. Rah. This wind is killing me. Need one of those butane lighters. Okay, you guys, it took far too long. I mean, I basically spent the entire afternoon doing this. The sun is literally setting in the background, but it's done. The truck is working. We have something like 45 PSI in the back of the truck right now, so we're actually slightly higher in the rear than we are in the front, which hasn't been like that since, I don't know, we put the hitch in. I think it looks great, and more importantly, it should tow great. What do you think, Mav?
Yeah.
Is it good? Yeah, okay. And this one has been playing with hair dye or something. Let me see your hands. Can I see your hands? Yeah, you've been playing with some sort of colors, huh? So as soon as I do some actual towing with this and see how it feels, I will do some sort of a review and update and let you guys know how it goes. But just the fact that I could do this out here in the middle of nowhere with the limited tools that I have and my limited skills tells you how doable this is. But it is dinner time, so I'm gonna get Mav, we're gonna set up, get some dinner, and go eat. Should we go eat?
No.
No, you don't want to eat? What do you want?
Wawa.
You want Wawa?
No.
Just got a mess out here. Got wires everywhere, toolboxes strewn all over the place. Poor Ashley's been banished to cooking outside. Actually, funny thing, one of the things I don't think I even told you is we didn't have any legit jacks or jack stands out here, so we actually used the trailer itself. We hooked up and then jacked up the trailer to lift up the truck, so I didn't even have to take off the wheels or the tires or any of that crap to get these installed. It was definitely much more of a pain in the butt and a tighter fit, but I think it's pretty amazing the fact that we were able to do this without removing the tires, without any jack stands or anything, just using the fifth wheel. What's for dinner, babe?
Zuppa.
I've been waiting for that Zuppa Toscana. Delicious. You know, Apollo, we really gotta do something about this screen door. You keep
I've given up.
You keep doing it. I keep saying I want to get a piece of like mesh metal and get it bolted onto there. I think that's the only thing that's going to stop him from poking his nose through is getting some sort of metal bolted on. But even then, I feel like, yeah, I think you might push hard enough that he would then break the door. I don't know. So we have been camped here for a few days now and we have never gone out. Well, me and Ashley have yet to go out and go for any sort of hike, even though there's just acres and acres of land out here.
Almost every day.
I say, this one has hiked up this mountain behind us.
Almost every day.
Probably at least 3 or 4 times in the past 5 days. But we are finally making the journey. We are finally trekking up the hill. It's only like a 20-minute hike each way, but it's supposed to be pretty cool up there. You probably already saw some drone shots of the kids climbing up this little mountain, but we're finally taking the plunge and doing it. And we're going with our new friends. We got Ashley and Ashley back there, and Papa Todd. Have we told you about Papa Todd? For some random reason, Maverick has latched on to Todd and decided to call him Papa. So this is Papa Todd, everybody. What do you guys think? Do you think he looks more like Papa Al or like Pops?
I'm gonna stay here because the wind catches her. Like literally, this is starting to blow me.
All right, Ashley gave up, so me and Mav are doing this. You ready? Hey, don't smile. Hey, don't smile. Don't smile. Woo! I've already lost my hat once. There's the trailer, way down there. Did you say goodbye?
Yeah.
Good. You gonna miss her?
Say hi to her cat.
So it's been a few days since we've installed the airbags, and I have to say it is amazing. The convenience of this little remote or the Bluetooth app on my phone, which allows me to control the pressure in the airbags, is amazing. And I'm really excited because not only that, we have the capability of installing an air tank to allow us to have an auxiliary out. So if we want to inflate our tires on our dirt bikes or our truck or our trailer, we'll have that. I have not quite installed that yet. That'll be another video, but I'll do a more in-depth review in a few months from now, once we've towed, you know, a few thousand miles and I really have an understanding of it. But first off, after our first few tows, yes, we're level, yes, it's smoother. I no longer have to deal with my headlights shining up at people in the night because I'm sagging in the rear end. I just feel safer, more level. The weight is much more distributed now, which is safer. So excited about this. If you guys are curious about the system I installed, I will link it up down below. You guys can read some more reviews and do some more research on your end, but I am loving it so far. Until next time, guys, remember, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure, so make some memories.